ibigay mo po sa akin ang dapat kong gawin sa araw na ito. Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for another day. Alam ko na marami na namang opportunity ang darating sa araw na ito. Alam kong darating na ang pagkakataon na inaantay ko, Lord. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng direksyon ngayong araw. Bigyan mo ako ng guide sa kung ano ang aking gagawin. Lalo na sa mga problema na dumating sa aking buhay ngayon na may mga pagkakataon na nalilito na din ako, Lord. Ibigay mo po sa way.
That's much better, sir. Much longer. But if you like to use the smaller one, it's okay. No problem.
Let you wait for something else.
Wanan yan. Dami na yan ganyan. Mas mahal pa dito. Oo. Nasa bahay lang doon sa Maynila. Nag-try lang kami dito.
Taga dito lang kayo.
Hindi, nasa Digos kami nagbakasyon.
Hindi ko sa'yo, sir.
Try niya lang. Iiwan niya rin.
This kind of juice.
Mas mahal yan doon sa 16 ang bawat ganun. 16, yan dito 10 lang. Hindi iiwan niya rin.
Sayang, ma'am. Di madami.
Oo. Naiwan niya lang.
I use chili also. This is the, we call this one oil fish. Oil fish. This one, this is my friend. We put this one in Digos also. It's the two tuna. Yes. Yeah, here. 16. This one, 20 kilograms. In the Philippines, fish very small.
No, Dr. Tuna. Dr. Tuna.
Yeah. This is Yes, sir.
Making diet?
Yes, sir.
Same like carpas.
Yes, same carpas. It's more tightened if you pull that one, more tight. Keeps tension, and then this is the drug, sir. Locin, the drug. Easy. Tighten. Yeah, that's strong. This is the clicker. Fighting fish like that. Click, click. Stronger. Yeah.
That's good. Daniel, how you do this then?
Just like this one.
You're using that?
And we put some, we have extra layer here. This one. That one.
Are you using this?
Yeah.
And there you do on the jig?
Yeah, the more easier to change the jig. This is a heavy for connect the nylon and the
Yeah.
threaded line.
Then here.
This one, I don't know the name of the nut, but we usually
What
use.
can you use?
Siyan, ay natawag siyan. Wala ba may sakyanan mo? Ang sakyanan mo? Wala, no?
Wala.
Nag-bus mo, no?
Oo.
Wait, sir. I will teach you how to put the line.
Dito.
Ah, 200 yung post ko. 1.6.
Cheers. This is mine. You're right-handed, sir? Just do this one, sir. And then, again, double time. Double, that one. Then, put this one at the back of this one. Just do like this.
And then
And then, hold
2 times.
2 times. Then, like this.